Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura. And have you ever tried the Crayola washable markers to mark your fabric for your quilt projects or your sewing projects? Well, let's test them and see how washable they really are. You can get lots of different colors and you can get different thicknesses. You can have a fine tip and a broad line tip. They claim to be washable. When you turn over the package, they even say they're washable off of clothing. These are designed for children not to be able to color on walls and clothing, so you're going to be able to wash it off and it doesn't ruin the children's clothing or your walls. So what I've done is I've taken a strip of cotton and I've drawn a line of each of the colors with the wide tip and the thin tip. Taken half of it and ironed it. So from that bottom line down, I've ironed that ink with a very, very strong industrial hot iron. And this had a good pressing for 30 seconds. The top was not pressed. Let's start with just a bowl of plain cold water. A lot of the colors are already starting to fade. I've added just a couple of drops of Dawn dish detergent. And it definitely has faded a lot more. I can faintly see the red line, maybe the orange. Let's just wash it for another couple of seconds. There's a tiny, tiny little mark right there. But all the other colors are completely gone. And after I rinsed this, even that tiny little red mark disappeared. There are some disappearing markers that have a tendency to reappear, and it's usually caused with extreme cold. So I'm going to stick this in the freezer for a couple hours and let's see if it comes back. It's come out of the freezer and there's not a drop of ink on it. Not on the ironing side, nor the regular side. They claim they're washable? Well, I think I'd have to agree with that. However, I will always test them first. Thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're sewing next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.